Now example number 1 is, write the natural number from 3 to 19. What fraction of them are even number? The numbers between from 3 to 19 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these total numbers are 17, and out of that even numbers we have to find the how many even numbers are there. 4 is a even number, 6 is a even number, 8 is a even number, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So number of even number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So even numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total numbers is equal to 17. So the required fraction is 8 by 17. Now example number 2 is, fill in the missing number in 2 by 5 is equal to, that is, this is a missing number here, and 45. So the denominator of this fraction is 5 and denominator of this fraction is 45. To make this 45 we have to multiply 5 with 9. So 9 5s are 45, and 2 also we have to multiply 2 with 9 also, that is 18. So the required number is 18. And example number 3 is, example 3, reduce the following fraction into lowest term. 75 by 135. So first of all, HCF of 75 and 135 is 15. HCF of 75 and 135 is 15. So we have to divide this numerator and denominator with 15. 75 divided by 15 or 135 divided by 15. Now 75 divided by 15 is 5, and 15 divided by 135 is 9. So the simplest form of 75 by 35 is 5 by 9. Or you can make the factors of 70. Another method is 75, 5 3s are 15. Now 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3, and make the factors of 135 also. 135 factors are 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now 75 upon 135 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 divided by 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. This 5 cancel this 5, this 3 cancel this, so then 5 and 3 3s are 9. This is another method to reduce 75 by 135 in the simplest one. This is the first part. Second part is, second part is 660 upon 168. Now you can do with both the methods. Factor of 166, 660, 2 3s are 6, 3 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 2, 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, and 3 5s are 15, 5 11s are. So 662 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. And factors of 168, prime factors 168, 2 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 3 7s are 21. 168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 660 upon 168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now 2 cancel 2, 2 cancel 2, 3 cancel 3, and 11 5s are 55 and 7 2s are 14. So required fraction is this. Now next example number 4, that is convert 7 by 8, 17 by 12, 41 by 45 to equivalent like fractions. When we have to make them denominator same, equivalent means we have to make the denominator same. So for that, first of all, we have to take LCM of 8, 12 and 45. Now you know how to take the LCM of 8, 12 and 45. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 45 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 45 as it is. Then 3 2 1 and 15. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 15. That is 360. So LCM of 8, 12 and 45 is 360. Now first fraction is 7 by 8. So we have to make this 8 360. Now see the fraction, this prime factorization, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now you have to left these 2 2 2 and multiply 15 into 3, that is 45. Now we have to multiply 8 with 45 and 7 by 45. That means 315 upon 360. LCM is 360, so we have to make the denominator 360. 8 we have to multiply 45. How we come to know we have to multiply with 45? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Left these 8 and rest 3 and 15 we have to multiply 3 by 15, that is 45. We have to multiply 8 with 45. That means if we multiply 8 with 45, 3 5s are 15, then it becomes 360. 7 into 45 and 8 into 45. 7 into 45 is 315 and 8 into 45 is 360. Now next fraction is 17 by 12. Now see this prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now in the denominator 12 is there. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now leave these 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is already there. 15 2s are 30, multiply 30 here and here 30. Now 17 into 30 is 510 and 12 into 30 is 360. Now see next fraction is 41 by 45. Now 45 is already there. Now see, 15 into 3. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 is already there. Now we have to 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. We have to multiply here 8 and 8. Now it becomes 328 upon 360. So all these fractions are equivalent. Now the equivalent fractions are, first is 315 upon 360, then 510 into 360 upon 360, then 328 upon 360.